it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are flying at Trinidad. Touchdown with that Trinidad. Kman Little Miss Best Body. Little Miss Best Body music video by Kman 6. You are jumping on and you're with the GSA. Sorry for the late reaction. 2 weeks. I was in Jamaica for 2 weeks. Now I'm back. So we are going to jump on the one and see Wagwan. And let's jump in it. And let's hang out.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Boss clean! Best body that.
For the record, me never seen nobody like that. Me on my show, I figure me why not put fuck make the
The look on the girl face not pleasant at all. Panawanya. One of the corner here, so look on Little Miss Best Body a while ago. Can we just appreciate how clean the boss is? Can we just take the time out to appreciate how clean the boss is? The boss forward out clean. The boss step out clean. Yeah. Kman 6. Respect for the effort, my G. Let's go. Watch our face. Watch our face. Your face look like it dropping a dog DD. Your face don't look too pleasant for see the next girl. How you so bad mind? We can see bad mind a shine off for the NC buckle, shine off for your glass, shine right in your face. Mama, you feel happy. You feel going better. Let's go again. Yeah.
Me on my show, I figure me why not put fuck make the really want to bring it right back. And if him dirty couldn't even sign up, must fulfill my promise. Girl, you got the body of a goddess. Says she obsessed with the baddest. Girl, you pussy tight down addict. You got the right on the bike back, don't panic. Yeah. So she wants some fun tonight. The bad man make a dream them come to life. Me one.
Says she wants some fun tonight. The bad man make your dreams them come to. Yo!
Pussy tight down addict. You got the right on the bike back, don't panic. Yeah.
Says she wants some fun tonight.
The bad man make your dream
them come to life. Yeah.
Everything for your bond the mind, but baby, really where you learn for right. Know your body well fit. Gotta see you never force for ripe. And if you didn't have money, we'd have short tonight. But you know what you would, could've closed your eyes. She could've closed your eyes. Dolly says she ex-frustrated. No one argument, she rather get naked. You are a big dappy, say she can't take it.
Yeah, she don't want an argument. Look on her face. She don't want an argument. She rather get naked. Yeah. Fuck she want. Fuck she want in her hole. Fuck she want. Fuck.
No what you would, could've closed your eyes. She could've closed your eyes. Dolly says she ex-frustrated.
Big up all that Trinidad subscribers them. Guyana, St. Kitts, Barbados, St. Vincent, the whole Caribbean. Ready?
Get a good fuck and start to move jolly like she do money. Say she woulda do all things for new money. No lie, girl, your body make me shout, oh my. Say she want bring my child. Say she want breed one look at my eye. She no know why. Baby, you want me Barbie, you want me dolly. You want beat the people in the mommy dolly. And you
Baby, you want me Barbie, you want me dolly. Me want beat up a pussy like mommy dolly. What?
bring my child. Say she want
Boss
breed
and
one
chop.
look at my eye. She no know why.
Baby, you want me dolly. No one.
Beat the people in the mommy dolly. And yeah, me know me alone, the rest she call me daddy. Tell me so this fuck enough for everybody. And not for everybody. She call for you good right, so me delivery. Tell me so she like fight, so me better worry. Obsessed, so me cocky should I get a Grammy. She want me let her have it. Oh God, she said she ex-man a rabbit. Him could never manage. Said she like you rough, said she love it damage. She look quite innocent, but she really savage. Oh yeah, she really savage. Yeah, she obsessed with the artist. 3 rounds and the fuck just started.
She obsessed with the artist. 3 rounds and the fuck just started. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Can we just appreciate this, man? Can we just appreciate what Kman 6 are going with us, man? Kman 6, big up yourself, man.
For the record, me never seen nobody like that. Me on my give me wine up. But fuck, make it really worth to bring it right back. And if him dead, he couldn't even sign up. Must fulfill my promise. Girl, you got the body of a goddess. Says she obsessed with the baddest. Girl, you pussy tight down addict. You got the ride on the bike back, don't panic, yeah. So she wants some fun tonight. The bad man make a dream them come tonight. Man, give everything for your bond the mind. But baby, really, where you learn for right. Know your body well fit. Gotta say you never force for right. And if you didn't have money, we'd short tonight. But you know what you would, coulda close your eyes. She coulda close your eyes. Dolly says she ex frustrated. No one argument, she rather get naked. The way you big up, say she can't take it. Now forget pussy if you not say sex. Tell me but we face it. Lick a miss best body. Alone you must return and don't worry. She get a good fuck and start to move jolly. Like she do Molly. Say she woulda do all things for new money. No lie, everybody make me shout out man. Say she want bring my child. Say she want breathe one look at my eye. She don't know why. Baby you want me baby, you want me dolly. You want me beat the people see no more me dolly. And yeah me know me alone the rest she call me daddy. Tell me so this fuck enough for everybody.
Rude.
Enough for everybody. She call for the good right so me delivery. Tell me so she like fight so me better worry. Obsessed with me cocky should I get a Grammy. She want me let her have it. Oh God, she said she ex-man a rabbit. Him couldn't never manage. Said she like it rough, said she love it damage. She look quite innocent but she really savage. Oh yeah, she really savage. Yeah, she obsessed with the artist. 3 rounds and the fuck just started. No I love cause we both cold-hearted. She feel safe, no we at top guarded. Yeah, she obsessed with the artist.
She feel safe cause we at top guarded.
No I love cause we both cold-hearted. She feel safe cause we at top guarded. Frustrated. No one argument, she wanna get naked. No you make numbers so she can't take it. Now forget pussy if you not say sex. Tell me boy face it. Look at miss best body. You must return your worry. She get a good fuck and start to move jolly. Like she do Molly. Say she woulda do her thing for new money.
Bad, my G, bad. West Bank Records, big up. Production team, you know one here. Bad, my G. Bad, my G. Can I just big up the girl with that show up her face at the start of the thing? Me see her in the last do her thing, you know? Do her thing. Big up Kman 6, yo, that one a bang. Kman, them songs are suited, my G. And as you can see by the numbers, the people them really fuck with them type of song from you. So big up yourself, my fam. Yeah, big up yourself. You are doing it. I think this song could be your actual breakthrough song will actually put you further on in the world. You understand? So big up yourself, bro. Continue putting out the work. Continue keeping yourself safe. And try to stay out of some of the foolishness so I go on. You know what I mean? Yeah, dog. Like stay protected, bro. Stay protected, like what you say in your song, bro. You know? Yeah, man. You do it, man. Big up all the Chino people, them. One of there representing that comment section now. What me say? All right, I'm not bad enough. But big up on yourself. Big up all of the Guyanese, St. Kitts, St. Martins, St. Vincent, Barbados, St. Trinidad and Tobago. I'm saying that are ready. Yeah, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up all the Caribbean country, them. You see me? Yeah. Jamaicans, of course. Yeah, big up on yourself, though. This time I'm going to leave the one still. If you enjoy the one, I want to see more from G. Leave a like on the video. Tell me which song to react to from Trinidad, or St. Kitts, or Barbados. Tell me which other song to react to in the Caribbean. You understand? And I'll do some more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.